All right, y'all, so this is going to be a very simple process, and we only need two things. We need seed and we need this cultivator. So in doing that, the most frequently asked questions that I get is, do I do seed first and then the cultivator? Do I cultivate and then the seed? The whole point of using the cultivator is to make sure that you are incorporating the seed into the soil. And the cultivator tool, i.e. the garden weasel, is the tool to put the seed in the soil. So at the end of the day, that is the whole point, to make sure that you are getting the seed incorporated into the soil. So if you have compacted soil, make sure that it has good moisture. You may have to do some watering before you do this process. That will definitely help. And then from there, if you've already got good soil moisture, like I do, you can just go ahead, put the seed down and incorporate it in using the garden weasel. If not, you may have to break up the soil a little bit first, drop your seed, and then incorporate it into the soil. Hopefully that answers the question. I probably get that question 2 to 3 times a day, and I've got the response already saved, and it's basically a paste to answer the question. But the whole point of this is making sure that you're incorporating the seed into the soil. So let's go ahead and knock this out. It's going to be a real simple and easy process, and then we'll get on to something else. All right, so we're going to go ahead, grab us a handful of this good iconic perennial ryegrass. We're going to drop that right in there into our bare spots. A little more in that area. Boom, we're good. Drop a little seed there. Hopefully we don't have to deal with this mole anymore. It hasn't been back, so hopefully we're in the clear, but we'll go ahead and drop some seed in here and get this taken care of. Boom, a little bit in there, and we should be good to go. That looks good in those areas. Little patch there. Cool. Now we'll take the good old cultivator. We'll work that in. So some people also have asked, will it rip up existing grass? As you can see, I'm doing this with existing grass that is in good health. So it will if you're too aggressive, but if you're not very aggressive, it may do a little damage, but at the same time, you're planting new seeds, so that'll go ahead and take care of that. But should be real quick, just like that. I'm gonna work that seed into the soil so it's not just sitting right on top. And just like that, we're all done. You can lightly press it down, similar to coming back with a roller. Not necessarily required, but you could do it. A little light tamp, hold things in place, and we're all good.